2025 wonke internal na-external kusho ukuthi even from ama-grade angaphansi nawo ready for ukuthi ubhale. Esitshoyo ukuthi kulo nyaka abantwana ba-registered full time bawu-1,795,751 aba-full time. Bese ama-part time bawu-16,148. Abenza-ke i-total sibe labantwana bazobhala ama-exam about195,899. Abanyukilele kuna-2024 banyuke ngo-2%. Ngonyaka ka-2024 ababhala bawu-190,452. Okusho kona ukuthi imfundo yethu iyakhula and baningi abantwana abafanele lezi opportunity ukuthi babhale ama-exam abo ngoba uma abantu sebefundile kufanele banikeze opportunity. Lokho kwenzisa ukuthi kuredusa nabantwana abadrophile ey'kolweni ngoba futhi bayakhula abantwana ababhala ama-exam. Futhi abantwana baningi abazoba ne-access to quality education. Safisa ukubonga kakhulu wonke ama-stakeholders akade involved okhombisa kona ukuthi umsebenzi owenziwa i-department HOD nama-officials nothisha bethu bonke nama-SGB mukhulu kakhulu and wenza ukuthi namhlanje sibe la sikhona. Kodwa sifisa ukusho ukuthi siqasha ama-investigators awu 6,450 azobe ebuka ama-examination room across the province awu 6,712. Safisa ukusho ukuthi nama-private examination center awu 61 akhona and ama-examination papers or material adistribute onke ama-district and kunama-distribution and ama-collection centers akhona wonke kuma-district ahlukahlukene and la printwa khona ama-questions papers kureyidile ingakho nombonankulu last week wakwazi uyozibonela sakubonakala ukuthi uwa-ready for ama-exam. Siyafisa ukubonga kakhulu abantwana bethu nothisha. Sisho ukuthi njengoba ngonyaka ondlule sathola u-89.5%. Sibese sibiza wonke othisha omkhulu nalaba iy'kole zangezenze kahle sase sikhanda into esibiza ukuthi i-academic improvement plan ka-2025 echaza ukuthi kuzokwenza kanjani uku-improve performance abantwana and ya-implementeka. Yingakho iy'kolo eziningi bezinama-extra classes bese bakhona iy'kole ezi-identifayiwe zangena kuma-camps ethu ekade sinawo enzeke-ke amanye ngoJune to July, amanye enzeke manje ngoSeptember 22 to 12 za-October ngokuthi abantwana kade bebonakala abastruggle bakwazi ukuthi basize ngokuthola othisha abangabasize. Konke-ke lokho kwenziwa ukuthi inhloso yethu ukuthi sine-interest nabantwana bethu bakwazi ukuthi babe nekusasa ngoba uma singabasizi kubalulekile ukuthi sibasize khona bezokwazi babe nekusasa nabo. Kodwa enye into esiqikelele kakhulu i-integrity and credibility yama-examination. Asifuni abantu abazocheatha uma kubhalwa ngoba uma kucheatha futhi lo ma-exam lo mntwana akaphasi ngoba nakho kufanele aphasi kodwa uphasi nganakho echeathile. That's why sinama-systems in place to ensure ukuthi akekho abantu abazocheatha. Ingakho sasiqhashe abantu abazomonitha abaningi ukwazi ukuthi siqikelele kungabikho abantu abacheathayo. Indawo ekade ingathiwa ama-hotspot ila khona phinde saqala khona more monitors to ensure ukuthi akekho umuntu ozocheatha. Siyafisa ukuthi-ke uwa-ready and ama-markers aqhashiwe azothola iy'ncwadi zawo maduzane kuzoqala ukumakwa ngomhla ka-2 to 12 December and nama-assistants akhona and sivumelene no-trader ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi uma ama-markers asemakile kufanele akhokhelwe kuwona lo nyaka uma sebeqedile ukukhokha kungathathi isikhathi ngoba it's part of motivating those who are doing extra umsebenzi ongaphezulu kwalo abawenza including ama-markers. Siyafisa ukusho ukuthi ngenxa yokukhula kwe-system KwaZulu-Natal yingakho kuney'kolo esesifake ngaphansi ko-online admission okuwumbuso okubheka esingaphansi kwamajuba sine-American school engaphansi komlazi la khona sithatha khona abantwana abasha sizokwazi ukuthi sibone ukuthi le-system online admission isebenza kanjani and ngakwazi ukuthi siqhubekise nakwezinye izindawo. Ngifisa ukubonga kakhulu-ke i-legislature namakomiti akhona nosihlalo we-portfolio education nalonke ikomiti ngomsebenzi awenzayo ukuthi basi-akhawuntise